place it into the grooves, and just hang it like that. So we installed these here, and they did an incredible job. It's see-through, and it's skipping not only the smells inside this space, but also the heat as well. So yeah. Alright, so this is how the box comes. It's pretty heavy. There's a pretty strong smell when you first open it, and it's going to linger for a while. They are pretty heavy, so I'll try and do it with one hand. We've got the rail itself. You use these in meat lockers. You're trying to keep scent, noise, or temperature inside the space. You can use this for garage rooms, absolutely anywhere. These are heavy duty, and these will definitely not fall either. We are going to be inserting this in here, like so. And then you're going to hook these down like so. And there you go, right? And then you're going to overlay them, right? So there's going to be an overlay as you put the other one. I'll show you what these look like when they're already hung. But this is a basement rental, and there they are. So that is actually there. The flaps themselves are very easy to cut as long as you have the right type of cutting shears. Now these are aluminum shears. They go a lot faster because, as you can see, the flaps themselves are pretty thick. Now, the reason we put them up in there is because there's a smell that was always coming out from that particular kitchen, because some person was actually microwaving onions every single day, and that smell would come out and into the vent, and it would circulate around the entire house, and there was absolutely no way to block it. Even though there's a hood vent here, this didn't do enough because the smell would linger in here after you open the microwave. So we installed these here, and they did an incredible job. Now we had to go and trim this a little bit, right? And we kind of had to cut this with a hand grinder to make them all fit. And we had an extra one that we didn't use, but you can see that they're perfectly hanging on the bottom. And it's see-through, and it's skipping not only the smells inside this space, but also the heat as well. So we don't have to worry about cold getting in here almost ever. So yeah. So very, very happy. It's a little expensive, but very happy. Very, very happy. So we're going to go and install them basically up there because it also blocks the sound, believe it or not, from coming through. First step to install is you want to hang one of the flaps on the very edge, and then that's going to actually show you how far from the edge you're going to start it. So you can see that there's a little overlap to that edge of the wall. So we're going to go and make our mark with the screw right there, and we're going to take this out and screw it in. So we're going to just put it in and hope that there is some stud over here. And it appears that there is. So one of them is done. With one rail in, grab the first flap, and with the screws facing towards you, place it into the grooves and just hang it like that. Okay, so that's our first one. Let's continue until the end so we know which direction to place the second rail on. So when you add the second one, automatically it's doing about a 2.5-inch overlap. Now on the last one, well, now you're going to be able to determine which way to place the second rail, and from the looks of it, it actually fits quite perfectly to the end. Good. Next rail is in. And here it is. The flaps themselves are very easy to cut. These are aluminum shears. They go a lot faster because, as you can see, the flaps themselves are pretty thick. Right, you can see here, let me just turn on the lights. When you walk through, you can see they're kind of settling on their own, right? But you can see that they're still touching the floor here. So if I look at them straight on, you can see that we're at a 1/4-inch overlap. It does not cover up the entrance.